to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world. What's up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic, and I am black in here with another video. And guess what? I went back to Hook Theory and I cooked up another joint. What I wanted to do was find some chord progressions, and I think I did it successfully. But here's the funny thing. On Hook Theory, in their tab section, the chord progressions that I used, only 7 songs contain these same chord progressions that I decided to come up with for this beat. Here's those progressions: E minor, G, A, B minor, E minor, again, to repeat. So, of course, I went ahead and showed you guys in the last video how you can come up with chord progressions using their search by chords tab and come up with some chord progressions. So let's get right into the beat really quickly. As you can see, I followed the progressions here using scales and chords. And using scales and chords, I put it in E minor and came up with the scales that I'm currently using for the beat. So if you look inside of my chords, you can see that what I did was I manually strummed a couple of these notes so that I can get a little different flavor from my chord progressions. So let's check it out. And this is what it originally sounded like when I put the progressions together. Let's check it out. There's something about the strum that just gives regular chords a nice feel to them. And I love strumming my keys. I love strumming chords because it just does something. It makes them sound like magic to my ears. So that's why I put strum on 2 of the chords here. So let's check it out again. So what I wanted to do was I liked the way those chords sounded, but I wanted to bring them down and slow them down by about half the speed. So we pulled up halftime, and I did just that. So let's turn on halftime and listen. Pretty slick, right? Great tool to use. So after halftime, I went on ahead and created my drums. A lot of times I do start off with chord progressions, or I start off with just a bass melody or chord melody, and my drums usually follow afterwards. Every now and again I may start with the drums, just depends on what mode I'm in. I mean, it's kind of random most times. So let's bring in the drums, and we have re-drum. Let's check out the drums. Also, I used the drum sequencer. Let's bring that in, and I copied the notes to my sequencer. Ready to go. We ready to go with this one. All right, so let's go and click off that. I think the next instrument I brought in was next instrument, I believe it was my guitar, ample guitar. Let's bring that guitar in. So I'm getting hyped right now. All right, so after that, I brought in the basic square. Y'all know I probably abused this basic square. I know every time y'all like this dude using the basic square again. I can't stay away from it because it sounds so lovely, especially for tracks like this right here. So let's bring that basic square in, and I followed basically the same melody pattern. Um, of course, I just brought the octaves down for the basic square. Let's check it out. Lovely, lovely, right? So next instrument, I believe was the 808, and the 808 pretty much helped put the glue on this track here. And I believe I just to manipulate the beat a little bit, I pulled up an old favorite of mine's, Beat Chop, to kind of chop up a piece of it here. So let's bring that in along with the 808, let you guys hear what it sounds like. Remember, this all started from chord progressions I found or created over on hook theory. So let's check it out. Now that was weird because that wasn't supposed to do that. Let's try it again. I don't know if it's because of the audio hardware or what. Let's try it again. All right, let's try something because that was really weird. Let's see. Do I not have enough samples? Let's try to bring the samples up some. Let's try that again. I promise y'all I didn't do that. It was just like more of a cut, a slice pretty much. Let me try it here, see if it does the same thing. Well, I guess I won't be showing that slice part there. I don't know why it's doing that right there. Let me try to bring the samples up one more notch. Let's try this. Let's see. It's getting weirder and weirder. So let's go back down to 256. See if that helps. Sample rate. All right, y'all. I'm lost on that one. I'm literally lost on why it's not doing that chop. But I think y'all get the point. I think y'all get the point there. But I promise you it wasn't doing it. It was a nice little chop right there in that section. So let's get back to the beat. But that's pretty much how I came up with that and put that track together, going over the hook theory. Yeah, guys, so that's that. I used halftime to help give that track some flavor from the original chord progressions and to slow it down by half speed. It's pretty easy to come up with these chord progressions nowadays. We have so many available tools to us to help us come up with music, to create music, period. So like it should be no excuses why we're not out here creating bangers. If you understand music and understand how to put music together, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, no excuses these days. Let's get out here, let's make it happen. I hope y'all guys enjoyed the track. If you dig it, thumbs it up. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Till the next time, it's your man Bigg Vic. Got more on the way. See y'all in the next video. Always hustle. Never stop growing. Peace.